Saral Bhujangasana. Lift up. Saral Bhujangasana. Yeah. Stay here. Elbow and shoulder should be in one line. Stay. Yeah. So Sushma, check the screen. This one. We'll stretch the arms later. Yeah. Bhushan, slightly your elbows forward. Stay. Stay. Now press the palm. Stretch the arm. Elbow straight. Don't take the shoulder towards the ear. Shoulder down. Keep pressing the shoulder down. Lift the chest up. Lift the chest up. Stay there. Yeah. Stay. Nice, Sudhi. Stay. 6. Maintain. You can stay here. After 6 count, if you are comfortable, you will walk towards the hip. 5. Just listen to your body. 4. Maintain. Shoulder down. 3, 2, and 1. Now walk one step inside towards the hip. Only if you are comfortable. Otherwise, you can stay there. Stay. 6. Yeah. Elbow straight. 5. Nice. Keep lifting the chest up. 4. Very nice, Sudhi. 3. Stay. 2. Nice, Pooja. And 1. Again, comfortable. One more step inside. Stay there. Stay there. Nice. Feel your pelvic touching the floor if you can. Stay. 6. Maintain. Shoulder down, Sushma. 5. Nice, Krishna. 4. Badhiya hai. Very nice, Vinod. 4. 3. Stay. 2. And 1. Shishu Asana. Relax for a few seconds. All of you. Shishu Asana. Relax. Shishu Asana. Relax for a few seconds. बैक को रिलैक्स करो. सुषमा एक्सटेंड द आर्म. सेम प्रैक्टिस लेफ्ट लेग से करेंगे पूरा. ठीक है. चलो. लेफ्ट लेग ऑल ऑफ यू. लेफ्ट लेग इन बिटवीन योर पाम्स. Left leg in between your palms. Right knee. Make sure left leg forward. Yeah. Right knee on the cushion. Use the cushion. Raise both the hands up. Those who are comfortable, chest towards the ceiling. Look ceiling. Look back wall. Stay there. Comfortable. Look back wall. So the back wall for you. Stay there. Hips down. Stay. Very nice, Vinod. Nice, Sushma. Keep expanding your chest. Stay there. Stay. 6, 2, good. Very nice, Thiru. 5, yeah. Hips more down, Bhavna. 5, 4, maintain. Keep lifting the chest up. 4, 3, stay. 2, and 1. Half split, all of you. Half split. Flex the foot. Hip and knee should be in one line. Your right hip and knee. Right hand ko bhi left side lijiye. Stay there. Sushma, slightly slide the heel forward. Pooja, slightly slide the heel forward. Stay there. Stay. 6, maintain. Stay. 5, nice. 4, very nice, Bhavna. Stay. 3, maintain. Stay. 2, and 1. Come. Center. Cat, all of you. Extended child pose. Thiru, check. You know, na? We have done. Abhi yaad hai? Ye wala. Thiru, this one. Yeah. दोनों हाथों को आगे extend करो. Try to drop the chin. More comfortable chest. This will be your first option. Only if your chest is touching, this the second one will be difficult. Just check the screen, all of you. Sudip, can you show? Lifting the knees up. Okay, it's difficult. If you are comfortable, then do this one. Stay there. Otherwise, do that just chest on the mat. Stay. Stay. 6. Only chest लगा है, वो ही करेंगे. 5. Nice, Sudip. 4. Stay. 3. Stay. 2. And 1. Cat pose. Hunch your back. Hunch it. Stay there. So next round, Thiru, you try, huh? Lifting the knees up. Stay. 5. Maintain. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Again, lie down on your chest. Prone position, all of you. Saral Bhujangasana. Yeah. Shoulder and elbow should be in one line. Come, all of you. Saral Bhujangasana. Yeah. Nice. Keep lifting. If you don't have a neck pain and shoulder pain, cervical ka issue nahi hai, so look ceiling, all of you. Only those. Otherwise, look forward. Now, stay. Pooja, thoda sa elbow aage lijiye aap. Now, press the palm, stretch the arm, elbow straight. Stay there. Stay. 6. Every 6 count, you have to walk back. 5, not comfortable, wahi pe ruko. 4, first level pe ruko. Your shoulder down. 4. 3, don't take the shoulder towards the ear. 3, 2, and 1. Walk one step inside. Keep expanding your chest. Expand the chest, all of you. Stay. Imagine pigeon ka chest kaise hota hai, waise expand karo. Stay. 6, Stay. 5. Shoulder down, Juhi. 4. Nice, Pooja. 3. Nice, Bhushan. Very nice. Stay. 2. And 1. Comfortable. One more step inside. Stay there. Stay. 6. Nice. Stay. 5. Not comfortable. Stay there only. 4. Stay. 3. Stay. 2. And 1. Only comfortable. One more step inside or stay there. Stay. 6. Last. Very nice, Sudeep. Excellent. 5. Too good. Shoulder down, Krishna. Sorry, Krishna. Tiru. 4. 3. Stay. 2. And 1. Shishuasana. Relax. Shishuasana, all of you. हाथों को आगे एक्सटेंड करो. बैक रिलैक्स होगा. सेम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं. We'll stretch the cord also this time. Same practice. चलो. Parvatasana or from cat only. Right leg in between your palms. Left knee on the cushion. Use the cushion. Yeah. Right leg in between your palms. Left knee on the cushion. Yeah. Raise both the hands up. Chest towards the ceiling. Look back wall. Maintain there now. Hips down. Very important. Keep expanding the chest. Stay there. Stay. Stay. 6. Very nice. Nice, Pooja. Stay. 5. Nice, Manju. Much better. 4. Nice, Sudeep. Stay. 3. Stay. 2. And 1. Half split, all of you. Now walk the right hand, right side, left hand, left side this time. Walk the right hand, right side, left hand, left side. Maintain there now. 4. Stay. Sushma, slightly your hips back. Sushma, बहुत आगे हो गया. Pooja, heels forward. Slide the heels forward. Sulbha, heels forward. Stay there. Stay. 6. Maintain. Flex the foot nicely. Juhi, उतना ही रुको. 5. Maintain. Sushma और hips पीछे जाना चाहिए. 4. Maintain. This much. Very nice. 3. Nice, Sudeep. Nice. अच्छा है आज विनोद. Stay. 2. And 1. Come. Center. Again, Ashwa Sanchalan. Ashwa Sanchalan. Yeah. Same hand, same leg. Back leg, knee bend, all of you. Left hand से ही left foot को पकड़ो. Bring the heel towards the hip. You can keep the right elbow on the right thigh or right hand down. Same hand, Sudeep, same hand. Left hand से, left hand से. Sudeep, can you keep the right elbow on the right thigh? That's if you're comfortable. First, right elbow on the right thigh. Yeah, like this. Yeah, like this, or not comfortable, palms on the mat. Stay there. Heel more towards the hip. Bhushan, right foot forward. Stay. 10. Maintain. 9. Same hand, same leg है. Juhi. 8. Okay. Juhi सिर्फ knee bend करके रुको आप. 7. 6. 5. 4. Heel more towards the hip or let it burn. 4. 3. Stay. 2. And 1. Come. Center. Again, cat, sorry, all of you. Cat, extended child. Tiru, try to lift the knees up if your chest attached. Yeah. Same practice, all of you. Either stay here, only chest अच्छे से लगा हुआ है. See, once you lift the knees up, it's काफी breath पे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. Okay, choking feeling आता ही है. But that with the practice it goes. Yeah. Drop the chin and chest, more comfortable. Lift the knees up. Juhi, hips forward. Try to touch the chest. Bhavna, hips back. Stay there. Stay. 6. Yes. Now press the chest, Thiru. Very nice. 5. Nice, Bhushan. Acha hai. Maintain there. 4. Knee more straight now, Manju. 4. 3. Or stay. 2. And 1. Cat pose. Hunch your back. Knee straight more, Krishna. Cat pose. Hunch the back. Hunch the back. Lie down on your back. Shalabhasana. Both the hands back side. Shalabhasana. Lie down on your chest. Sorry. Lie down on your chest. Sorry. Yeah. Both the hands back side. Yeah. Palm facing down. Lifting both the legs up. Lift the chest up. Maintain there now. Hold. Stay. Breathe. Don't hold the breath. Stay there. Nice, Sushma. Beautiful. Heels together. Stay. 10. Nice, Krishna. Keep lifting the thighs higher. 9. Very nice. अच्छा है आज विनोद. 8. Nice, Bhushan. 7. 6. Maintain. Very nice, Sulba. 5. 4. Maintain. Breathe. 4. 3. Maintain there. Straight shoe. And 1. Loose छोड़ो बिल्कुल. Relax for a few seconds. सेम कम पर्वतासन लेफ्ट लेग से करेंगे पूरा सेम प्रैक्टिस या लेफ्ट लेग in between your palms, right knee on the cushion, raise both raise both the hands up, chest towards the ceiling, look back wall, maintain there now, hold, hips down, stay there, nice Sushma, stay, 6, maintain, keep lifting the chest higher, 5, taking your right pelvic towards the mat, 4, hips down all of you, 4, 3, straight shoe, and 1. Half split all of you. Walk the right hand right side, left hand left side. Maintain your right hip and knee in one line. Stay there. Stay. 6. Flex the foot nicely. Nice, Krishna. 5. 4. Slightly hips back. 3. Very nice. Straight shoe. And 1. Come. Center cat, all of you. Cat. Yeah. Again, same. Extended child pose. Both the hands forward. Try to drop the chin. More comfortable chest. Stay there. Keep pressing the chest on the mat. Stay there. Hold now. Now, those who are comfortable, tuck the toes, lift the knees up. Stay there. Stay. 6. Maintain. Breathe. 5. You have to walk slightly. Your achaya, Manju. 4. Very nice, Thiru. 3. Keep pressing the chest. Nice. Straight shoe. And 1. Cat pose. Hunch your back. Hunch it nicely. Stay. Stay. 5. Maintain. 4. 3. Straight shoe. And 1. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. Extended child pose करेंगे. Then we'll do Shalabhasana. Oh, sorry, we'll do Saral Bhujangasana and then we'll do Shalabhasana. Sorry, Saral Bhujangasana, all of you. Come on your elbow. Chal. Lift up. Saral Bhujangasana. Now press the palms, stretch the arms, stay there now. Hold. Stay. Stay. 6. Press the palms, stretch the arms. Vinod. 5. Shoulder down, all of you. 4. 3. 2. If you're comfortable, stretch the arm. 2. 1. Walk 1 step inside. Stay there. Stay. 6. Maintain. Shoulder down. 5. 4. Don't take the shoulder towards the ear. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Again, walk 1 more step backside. Stay there. Hold now. Stay. Stay. 6. Maintain. Very nice. Stay. 5. Maintain. 4. 3. Juhi Saral Bhujangasana for you. 2. And 1. Comfortable. 1 more step inside. Stay there. Stay. Stay. Too good. Stay. 6. Maintain. Not comfortable. Stay there. 5. Nice. Puja. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Shishuvasana. Relax. Then we'll go to Shalabhasana. Shishuvasana. Relax करो. Back तभी relax होगा Shishuvasana में. Or any forward bend में. You can go to Padhastasana or Parvatasana. So whenever we do a back bending, we have to go with a counter pose. Forward bending होता है. Shalabhasana करेंगे. Relax for 2 seconds. Oh, we skipped the left leg. Chord नहीं किया था. We'll do with अभी अलग से करेंगे. चलो Shalabhasana. Yeah. Both the hands backside. Vinod, for you forward this time. And for Bhushan also. Yeah. Lift both the legs up. We'll be holding longer. So, agar beach mein lag raha hai, Vinod and Bhushan, you can shift your hands backside. Both the hands forward for Bhushan and Vinod. Rest all backside. Lift both the legs up. Lift the chest up. Maintain there now. Keep lifting the legs and the thighs higher. Stay there. Stay. Come. We have to hold longer. Hold karo. Thighs higher, more Juhi. Keep lifting the thighs higher. Stay. Nice, Krishna. Stay. Stay. 10, maintain. 9, 8, 7, 6, thighs higher, all of you. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Drop the forehead. Relax completely. We'll stretch the cord. Left side रह गया था. We'll stretch both the side. हुआ ही नहीं था वो first time में. We have to do with the chair only. Cord stretching. इससे नहीं हो रहा है वो. Then cord is very important for your back belly. उसका strength भी important है, उसका stretching भी important है, opening भी important. We'll stretch the cord. Chalo, come. Right leg outside the right palm, left knee on the cushion. Try, all of you do. Give your best in this. Come. Right leg outside your right palm, left knee on the cushion. Right hand से left foot को पकड़ोगे. Bring the heel towards the hip. Look back. So shoulder को tilt करना. Yeah. With the right hand, hold the left foot. Bring the heel towards the hip and maintain there. This one. Left palm on the mat, Sushma. इसमें easy हो जाएगा. वो वाला जो किया था वो difficult था. Stay there. Tilt back, all of you. Stay there. Stay. 10. Right foot forward. Keep pressing the right big toe, all of you. 9. Tiru, change the hand. 8. Change the hand. Juhi, आपने left लिया हुआ है. That's why left लिया हुआ है. Change the hand. 7. Left hand से पकड़िए right foot को अभी. 6. Juhi, change the hand. 5. Sulba, check the screen. 4. With the right hand, hold the left foot. 4. 3. Left palm on the mat, Sulba. Straight. 2. And 1. Change. We have to repeat again. Nahi hua, she said. Left leg outside your left palm. Right knee on the cushion. Opposite hand and opposite leg, all of you remember, because kuch logon ne right liya, bhi kuch logon ne left liya. Opposite hand and opposite leg. Yeah, stay there. Palms on the mat. The other palm is on the mat. Stay there. Stay. 10. We'll repeat this. 9. Hips down, Krishna. 8. Heel more towards the hip, Bhavna. 7. 6. 5. Hips down, all of you. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Come. Center. Relax. Change. भावना एक काम करो, अदरवाइज जस्ट टेक द राइट हैंड. अभी आप लेफ्ट हैंड ऊपर लोगे ना, राइट लेग है ना, राइट लेग फॉरवर्ड. हाँ, सो एक हाथ को ऊपर लो एंड हील टुवर्ड्स द हिप. राइट लेग आउटसाइड योर राइट पाम, लेफ्ट नी ऑन द कुशन. राइट हैंड अप फॉर यू भावना. देन कीप टेकिंग द लेफ्ट हील टुवर्ड्स द मैट. हाँ, वर्क ऑन दैट. हाँ, जितना और लो भावना. हील मोर टुवर्ड्स द हिप. ऑल ऑफ यू स्टे देयर. राइट फुट, राइट हैंड से लेफ्ट फुट को पकड़िए. स्टे. 10. Maintain. 9. पूछा if this comfortable for you can try. और अगर बहुत प्रेशर आता है तो छोड़ देना. 9. 8. 7. Bending the knees comfortable for you. 6. 5. 4. Look back, Sulba. 3. 2. And 1. Come. Center. Change. Other side. Left leg. Yeah. Left leg outside your left palm. Yeah, left hand से right foot को पकड़ो. Bring the heel towards the hip. Stay. Left foot forward, Sulba. Stay. 10. 9. 8. 7. Hips down, Krishna. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Come. center, relax. Relax Shishu Asana for few seconds. We'll be doing Ushtrasana, camel pose. Ushtrasana करेंगे, hold करेंगे 45 seconds. Come, Ushtrasana, all of you. Standing on your knees. Tuck the toes to get the height or stretch the ankle if you have a good back bending. So both the palms on the entire both the foot for you. Chalo. Stand on your knees like this. Yeah. Now, एक हाथ से heel को पकड़ो or your foot, entire foot. Then push the hips maximum forward and stay there. You have to push the hips forward. Hips move forward. Nice, Bhushan. Very nice. Head को पीछे drop करो, Bhushan, if you're comfortable. Stay. Nice, Thiru. Stay. Maintain. Breathe, all of you. Hips forward, Manju. We are holding. Very nice, Pooja. Nice, Sushma. Hold करो, हाँ. Chest पे ध्यान दो. Breath कैसे चल रहा है? Feel करो. Stay. Very nice, Vinod. Stay. 10. Maintain. Hold, all of you. 9. Just keep pushing your hips forward. 8. Maintain. Twist करके आना जब आओगे. 7. Maintain. Breathe. 6. Hold. 5. 4. 3. 2. Twist करके आना and 1. Twist and come, all of you. एक हाथ से twist करके like this. Yes, nice, Ubi. Bend forward, relax. Shishu Asana, relax completely. Watch your breath. Shishu Asana, all of you. Try to touch your hip to the heel. हाथों को आगे extend करो. On your chest. Again on your chest. Dhanurasana. Dhanurasana, right hands, first single hand से करेंगे. Right hand से right ankle को पकड़ो, your left hand forward, but you will be lifting both the legs up. Yeah, like this, all of you. Stay first. Now, lift both the legs up, lift the chest up, stay there. You are lifting both the thighs up, stay there. Stay. 10, maintain. Sulba, check the screen. 9. Thiru, check the screen. Thiru. 8, single hand. 7, right hand to right ankle, left hand forward. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. We will relax for a few seconds. Acha hai, very nice. Change the hand. Lift up. Stay there. Hold now. You have to keep lifting the thighs higher. Stay there. Stay. 10. Maintain. 9. Nice. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. लूज छोड़ दो बिल्कुल. लूज छोड़ो. लास्ट धनुरासन करेंगे. Relax for a few seconds. धनुरासन करें. चलो, fold your legs, both the hands. Hold the ankle. नाभि पे ध्यान देना. नाभि से legs उठा रहे हो तो pelvic उठेगा and इस तरफ से chest उठा रहे हो. चलो, balancing on your navel. Lift both the legs up. Lift the chest up. Maintain there. Now keep lifting the thighs and the chest higher. Stay there. Stay. 10. Breathe. 9. Nice, Bhushan. But thighs उठाओ. अच्छा है आज. 8. Very nice, Vinod. 7. Vinod, chin higher, 7. 6. Nice, Sulba. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Loose chodo. Bend 1. Relax, all of you. On your back, Setubandh Asana hold करेंगे. Try to lift from Setubandh Asana only to Sarvangasana if you are not on periods. Those who are on periods, they will avoid. You'll be doing Setubandh Asana. Then from here only, palms under the hip. See, finger मेरा इस तरफ को है ना? And then try to lift up like this. ठीक है? So you will be doing like this. Then see, palm is facing towards the hip. Fingers are facing towards the hip. Give the support and then lift up. ठीक है, सर्वांगास. पीरियड्स पे हो तो मत करना. चलो, ऑन द बैक, सेतुबंध आसन फर्स्ट, ऑल ऑफ यू. इफ यू आर ऑन पीरियड्स यू कैन डू 90 degree. चलो, सेतुबंध आसन, ऑल ऑफ यू. या स्टे देयर. लिफ्ट द हिप्स अप, भूषण. स्टे. पूजा स्लाइटली हील्स पीछे लीजिए आप. या मेंटेन, ऑल ऑफ यू. स्टे. स्टे. नाइस वन. तिरु स्लाइटली हील्स फॉरवर्ड. आपका फिंगर पॉइंटिंग टुवर्ड्स द हिप होगा. नाउ palms under the ये hips, finger pointing towards the hips to give the support. Yeah. Now lift the hips up. Try, all of you. Yes, lift up. Support the back. वहीं से support हो जाएगा. सर्वांगासन का position. Very nice. Stay there. Now maintain. हलासन जाएंगे. सुदीप का हलासन नहीं होगा. इस तरफ को करना था. ठीक है, it's okay. You can shift. Hip more tight, Sulba. Same for you. Nice. Keep lifting the hips higher, Sushma. Hips higher. Hip को tight करो. See, your heels are towards the head. Now take it back side towards the hip. Yeah, more, more. Yes, like that. Still. Nice. Stay. Maintain. Heel को hip की तरफ लेके जाओ, मंजू. Stay. 10, 9, 8. Nice, Krishna. अच्छा है. 7, 6, 5. Maintain there. 4, 3. Stay 2. And 1. Halasan, all of you. Halasan. Just one. Try dropping. कृष्णा आज ड्रॉप करने की कोशिश करो. हिप्स को पीछे पुश करना पड़ेगा. Straight. Vinod, come forward and then do. Nice. Nice, Thiru. Stay. Very nice position. Interlock the fingers if you are comfortable. Stay. 10. Maintain. Push the hips back side, Sulba. 9. Hips more back, Manju. 8. Knee को straight कर दो, कृष्णा. बस उतना ही रुको. 7. Knee straight now, Sushma. 6. Stretch. Yes, like that. 5. Maintain. 4. उतना ही रुको, विनोद. चलेगा. 4. Straight. 3. Nice, Bhavna. You are very near. Straight. 2. And 1. Come center. Hug your knees and stay there. Squeeze your thigh to your belly. धीरे से आना. Squeeze your thigh to your belly. Stay. 6. Stay. 5. 4. 3. Stay. 2. and 1. Relax. Both the legs straight, palms under your hips, lift the chest up, drop the crown, maintain there. Matsyasana. Lift the chest nicely up, all of it, then drop the crown. Yeah. Toes pointed, stay there. Stay. 10, 9, stretch the ankle. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come center, relax. Neck either on your right and left side. Arm shoulder level. Bend the knee more towards the chest. Arm shoulder level, all of you. Yeah. Bend the knee more towards the chest. Drop the knee right and left side more towards the armpit, all of you. More towards the armpit. Chalo, start. 10, 9, 8, 7. Knee up, your foot is up, Pooja. 7, 6. Check. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come. Hold one side, stay there. Knee more towards the armpit, all of you. Knee, stay there. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change other side. Hold now. Stay there. Stay. 5. Knee more towards the armpit. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come. Center. Relax. Chalo. Drop your legs to Shavasana. If you wear specs, take it out. बाल में कोई भी रिस्ट्रिक्शन मत रखना. शरीर को पूरा ढीला छोड़ना. Relax your neck, relax your shoulder, completely chin down, palm facing up. If any part is knotted, relax, shake it, move it, relax it completely. Now, palm facing up. बिल्कुल ढीला छोड़ दो. Gently close your eyes. And now slowly start hearing all the sounds surrounding you. आस पास की आवाजों को सुनो. The near one, the far one, the not so soothing one, the soothing one. Palm facing up. And now concentrate and hear one sound which is soothing to your ear. Concentrate and hear one sound which is soothing to your ear. Hear it, relax with it. Now take a deep breath in and breathe out. Again, one more breath in. And breathe out. नाभि के पास अपने ध्यान को लेके जाना. नाभि पे ब्रेथ का मूवमेंट है, द राइज एंड फॉल ऑफ योर ब्रेथ. योर बेली विल मूव अप एंड इट विल सिंक डाउन. पूरा ध्यान सांसों के मूवमेंट पे. यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग द राइज एंड फॉल ऑफ योर ब्रेथ. Don't get disturbed and distracted by the sounds around you and get tempted and open your eyes. Very important. Don't get lost in your thoughts. So many thoughts will be there. So don't run behind the thoughts. Just be with your breath. You're observing the rise and fall of your breath. And relax. Now bring your awareness to your nostril. अपनी बंद आंखों से observe the entrance of your nostril. And now through the entrance of your nostril, observe your breath. Observe your breath as it is long, short, shallow, deep. छोटी छोटी सांसें हैं या लंबी गहरी सांसें. Don't get disturbed and distracted by the sounds. Very important. Don't get lost in your thoughts. Just be with your breath. Feel the pace of your breath also. Fast है या बिल्कुल slow and relaxed है. So your breath depends upon the thoughts. जितना ज्यादा ध्यान ब्रेथ पे होगा, थॉट्स उतने ही कम आएंगे. Feel the pause, the gap. After the breathe out, there is a gap, there is a pause. Observe that gap. Feel the duration of the gap also, longer hai ya shorter hai. If your breath is shallow, you'll not be able to feel the gap. If your breath is calmer, the gap is also longer. It's very long. Sometimes it exceeds 10 seconds also. But no manipulation with the gap and the breath. Observing the breath as it is. So your only conscious effort is every time a thought comes, shift your awareness back to the breath. Just let the thoughts pass by. Don't run behind the thoughts. Just stay with your breath. And you need to be aware कि thoughts are रहे. Otherwise, you'll get lost in so many thoughts. So awareness of your thoughts is very important. Thoughts आ रहे हैं, इसका भी awareness होना चाहिए. हर एक आती जाती सांस को बस महसूस करना है. And now feel your breath getting calmer and deeper. Just by observing and being with your breath, feel your breath getting calmer and deeper. And relax. Now bring your awareness to the way you are lying down. अपनी बंद आंखों से देखो अपने आप को. From toe to head, observe yourself. And back from head to toe. Observe yourself. Completely light and relaxed. Feel that lightness in your body. And now keeping the awareness to the way you are lying down, we'll chant all the 3 akaras. Breathe in. Relax. Feel the vibration. Feel your body completely light and relaxed. Slowly give movement to your toes. Give movement to your fingers. Slowly keep your right hand back side. Turn to your right side. Stay there for a few seconds. Very slowly and gently come and sit in any meditative pose. Adopt any meditative pose. Spine straight, facial muscle completely relaxed. Smile on your face. Take a deep breath in. Relax now. Gently bend forward and take the blessings of Mother Earth, your parents, and your Guru. Take the blessings. Feel the blessings. Slowly come up. Rub your palm. Feel the heat. Feel the energy. And once you feel the heat, first give it to your eyes, your face, your throat. Massage it. Go back. Give it to neck, shoulder, your arms, chest, abdomen. Go back. Give it to your spine, hips, thighs, knees, legs, ankle, and your toes. Slowly and gently, with a blink and a smile, open your eyes. Thank you. So, see you all tomorrow. Chal, have a nice day.